So here's the kitchen. You can see it's a very modern kitchen. There's everything you need. There's a stove, an oven, and the fridge. Here's the living room. There's the TV on your left and the couch on your right. Then here you can see you have the balcony. So you can see that it gives the view on the street. So it's very nice today. The sky is very blue, so that's good. As I said, the couch. You also have the dining table on your right. And then you have access to the first bedroom here. So it's a bedroom with 2 single beds and also a standalone wardrobe where you can hang your clothes. And there are also storage units under the bed. And then here you have the bathroom. So it's a very nice bathroom, very modern, with the shower in it and the washing machine as well. And then here you can see that you have these 2 stairs that go upstairs. And so here you have the second bedroom. So there are 2 single beds and storage units here. And yes, that's the apartment. If you're interested in renting it, you can rent it on Spotahome.com.